In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to note down your thoughts for later, understanding how to efficiently insert and review comments can greatly enhance your workflow. It's a simple process, but let's break it down step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. If you don't already have it open, locate the file on your computer and double-click to launch it. Once your document is open, navigate to the section of text that you would like to comment on. Highlight the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. This selection will help clarify where exactly your comment pertains to, making it easier for others to follow along. Now direct your attention to the top menu and locate the Review tab. Click on it to expand your options. Here, under the Comments group, you'll see a New Comment button. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, you'll notice a comment box appear on the side of your page. This is where you can type in your comments. Think of this as your opportunity to jot down your insights, questions, or feedback. Take a moment to articulate your thoughts clearly for others who might view this later. After you've written your comment, it's time to post it so others can see it. To do this, simply click Reply. You'll see your comment neatly displayed on the side of the document. If you ever need to revisit or revise what you've added, your comments will remain accessible. As a visual cue, a comment balloon icon, which looks like a small message box, will appear on the right side of the page. Clicking on this icon will allow you to easily review your comments at any time. And just like that, you're done. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly useful for document collaboration and personal note-taking. Over time, as you get more accustomed to using comments in Word, you'll likely find that this feature becomes an invaluable part of your digital toolkit. Remember, adding comments not only helps clarify your thoughts, but also fosters improved communication when sharing documents with others. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Now you can efficiently use the comment feature in Microsoft Word to enhance your document editing and reviewing processes. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever necessary, and as always, happy editing.